He's on. That's quite a nice little...
On low rates for now.
I got a clue if I'm videoing it or not. I think I'm about there. Alright.
Yep.
I ain't going to be able to follow that with this. I can do your taking off and that, but... Whee! That is ace. I don't know if I'm getting it or not. Ooh. Oi! That's a cute bit of kit, mate. I'm probably just videoing grey sky here with no plane on it whatsoever and just running a commentary like. It's just so smooth as well, isn't it? It runs smoothly. Oh, steady on. That was going straight towards me, you sod. Do you want to bring it in for a landing so I can see if I can video it landing? Because I really ain't got a clue if I'm getting this or not.
Try to get it lower.
Alright. And then get him up without the video sort of thing. Mind you, you're going to have to take my stupid commentary off. I don't know if I got this or not! I can't tell nothing! Wants to get that old plane on the ground, you knows? Alright, my old lover. Here we go. Don't land it on my head though, will you? Oh, lovely fly path. Oh, Jesus. Would you not do that? Oh yeah. Here we go. Bring him down then. Hey! Sweetly done. Oh, it's quality.